Good morning all of you. Last class we discussed about factorization. Okay, factorization, and we can factorize using different method. First method we discussed finding common factors. Okay, then another second method we discussed regrouping. After regrouping, some problems we can discuss. Then factorize the following expression. Take question number 2 from exercise 14.1. From exercise 14.1, question number 2 we can discuss. Factorize the following expressions. Okay, one question is given 7x minus 42. In these two terms, which is the common? You can find out the common as 7. Okay, 7 is common in both. So, then we write 7. What is remaining? X minus 6. Now, this is the factorization of 7x minus 42. In the factorization form, there will be only one term. Okay, the factor form of an expression have only one term. This we can think as a one term. But here it is two terms. 7x is one term and 42 is another term. But after factorization, we will get as only one term as 7 into x minus 6. Okay. Next, another second question is find out the common factors, that is only. Then 6p minus 12q. 6p minus 12q. Which is the common? 6 is common. So, what is remaining in the first term? P. Then here 2q. 6 into p minus 2q. Then next here another question is 8th question. Minus 4a square plus 4ab minus 4ca. Which is the common factors in these three terms? Total 3 terms are there. In that 3 terms, the common factors are 4 and the variable a. Then 4a when we take outside, what is remaining in here? First minus a plus b minus c. Okay, this is the factorization form of this expression. Next one. Ax square y, bx y square, cx y z. All are very symbols. Find out the common first. Ax square y plus bx y square plus cx y z. Which is common in all these? Here x y have ax square y, x square y, x square y, x y square, x y z. Okay, then in all these terms have a common factors x and y. Then what is remaining? In the first term remain ax, in the second term remain by, and in the third term remain cz. Okay, so this is the factorization form of this. Now listen question number 3. Okay, so first if it is common, if any factor is common in all the terms, then we can use that method, that is finding common factors. Now you look another one, another question is given x square, that is question number 3. Factorize x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. Now can you find out any common factor in all these 4 terms? Any common factor have in all these 4 terms? If it is when we take the factor x, here have x, here also, but here no x. And when we take the constant part, coefficient 8, in these 2 have 8, but here no 8. And also when we take y, here no y, but this only. So no factors in common in all these 4 terms. Now we want to think about the next method, that is regrouping method. Now we can take first these 2 as, we can find out common factors in these 2. X is common in both. Okay, then when we take x outside, then what is remaining in the first term? X plus here remain y. So we regrouped these 2. Plus then next in this which is common 8x plus 8y, the common factor is 8. What is remaining? X. In the second term remain y. Now you look, now we got here x into x plus y plus 8 into x plus y. 2 terms are there, one another term. Now in these 2 terms we can find out one common factor, which is that x plus y is common in both. So we can take that x plus y as. Then what is remaining here? In the first term remain x plus in the second term remain 8. So this factorization form is x plus y into x plus 8. Here also you look, this is one term. There is no two terms. It is totally it is one term. So this is the factorization of using regrouping. In this way we can find out different factorization. One more question. 15pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25. Okay. Now can you find out any common factor in all these terms? Any common factor in all these terms? No. So we can find out, we can regroup this. Okay, if we regroup this first two, here these two, 9q and 25 have no common factor. Any common factor in 9q and 25? No common factor all. So what we want to do, regrouping, we want to change. Okay, so if we take 15pq, then any mistake will be for the question. 15pq plus 15, then pq plus 1. Then that is a small mistake there. Otherwise we want to take we can just check it. 15pq plus 15, even we take outside, then remain here pq plus 1. Okay, and plus here these two terms have no common factors. 9q and 25 has 20 on. There is 25p is there. The question is a mistake. How now we can do like this. Now the question is 15pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p. Okay. Now when we take this, if you regroup like this, 15pq and 9q we want to take together. Okay, then only it will be regrouping by finding common factors. Now we can take the second term like 9q here, plus next is third term we can write here, second term we can write here plus 25p. We just rearrange this using commutative property. Now what is common in this 15pq and 9q? Here q and 3 is common. 3q is common in both. Okay, then what is remaining here? When we take 3q outside, here remain 5p, and in this term it is remain 3. 5p plus 3. Clear? 3. 9. When we take 9 by 3, we will get 3, and q already take here, and then only remain 3. Plus in this we can take 5 when we take outside. In both have common factor 5. Okay, then it is remain 3. Here remain 3. 3 into 5 is 15. Plus 25 when we take 5p. Now you look here. These two terms. This is 5p plus 3. This also we can just rearrange as, instead of 3 plus 5p we can write it as 5p plus 3. So again 3q into 5p plus 3 plus 5 into, instead of I rearrange this term as 5p plus 3. Now we got two terms, and in both the terms have 5p plus 3 is common.